Good evening, everybody. Myself Shreyas Thirugudkar. I am from February 16 batch. Now consider a toddler. I was a toddler 4 days back. A toddler just knows where to. He just knows that I have to go somewhere. Means he don't know the he don't have a target. He don't know the word target. So that's what I was for 4 days ago. And worst case scenario, I was an infant one month back. When I first attended, I was sitting there, I guess. So simply that's what we all were. I mean, some of you are CA, some of you are financial expertise, but I myself belong to a field where there is no numbers even. So charts, forget about it. So I entered inside and I got a positive vibes. Means positive vibes come from we go to temples for positive vibes. But the thing is, I first time get into the touch of positive vibes from numbers, and it was magical for me. The things were I was not knowing anything of share markets. Means what is buy, what is ask, what is bid, nothing. I've never trained about it, I've never heard about it. But from first day there was a milestone set up. First day, second day, third day, fourth day. Graph was always we can say it was always a long and I'm just proud to be here that now consider myself 1 month back. Means I will not talk about all the technical terms that we have learned 4 days. You all know better than me, but let me tell you my transformation, what happened after coming here. Consider me 1 month back. 9 o'clock was a waking up time. Now the 9 o'clock will become a market opening time. I never know what is FII. I only know FBI and all because I used to see the serials. But I will know these things now and I will look up to it by more open eyes. Thanks to Yogeshwar sir here. Next thing is companionship. We always say that money making is an individual process. Though we are doing business, but someone is working for me. मेरे को कुछ नहीं करने का, मेरे लिए सब काम करेंगे. But the thing is, I got यहाँ पे आके मेरे को समझा कि that is a collective intelligence. And how it works, sir has shown us very broadly that you have to continuously look up to others to earn your money. Buyers कितना है, sellers कितना है, नहीं तो हम लोग दूसरे की तरफ क्यों ध्यान देंगे? This is my account. I will look up to my charts. But the buyers and sellers become so important. We are sitting in India, we are sitting at this location, and someone in UK can change my account. That's amazing. That's a really amazing field that we are in. And I hope this trading will go further, continue. Next thing, I will come bit of a technicality that I have learned. Bid, ask, then all kind of charts. Those can really define where exactly the money will go or the direction it may take. Then whatever sir has taught, I have not understood 1% also right now. But after I will practice. Hope after 2 years, somewhere you will find me in either trading business or somewhere you will find me. Because so much positivity we have got here, each and every one of us, that yes, we get a confidence that yes, we will be somewhere in some amount of time. And yes, that will not be like an option कि वहाँ पे risk रहेगा. हम लोग का बेस ही इतना अच्छा हो गया है कि we will be there somewhere. Lastly, very formal part. Thank you sir and thank you everybody to be a great companionship. इतना अच्छा तो किसी का ग्रुप नहीं बनता 4 दिन में. व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक में भी बात नहीं करते हम लोग, बट इतना अच्छा हुआ. एंड अगर किसी से बात करना बाकी रह गया तो सॉरी, हम लोग व्हाट्सएप पे करेंगे.